You failed, you made mistakes, you did not meet expectations. Tanong mo ngayon, mamahalin pa kaya ako ni God? Gugustuhin pa kaya nila ako? And the answer is yes. 1,000 yes. Remember, God's love is never based on perfection. It's based on who He is, not what you do. Even if you feel weak, even if you're ashamed of who you have become, God doesn't flinch, He doesn't walk away, at hindi niya babaguhin yung promises na sinabi niya just because you messed up. Kahit ba ilang beses mo nang sinabing, Lord, sorry po, hindi ko na po ulitin. Tapos mamaya, yan na ulit, inulit mo na ulit. Or bukas, yun na naman yung ginawa mo. He will never stop loving you. Remember, you are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not the version of yourself you're trying to outrun. You are still His, even if you feel like unlovable. Even if you feel like you've lost your way, He knows exactly where to find you. Kaya kung naisip mo at tinatanong mo, mamahalin pa ba ako ng Diyos? Remember this, He already does, always has, and always will.